I've got the AirPods Pro 3s, and let me show you how to connect this or how to pair them to your Android phone. Now you can actually pair this to any Android phone. Simply go to settings on your Android phone. You're basically going to the Bluetooth settings. So for this one, I'll need to go to settings and then connections and then Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is on and scanning for devices. Now, having done that, the next thing you want to do is put the AirPods Pro 3s in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, open up the lid with the AirPods inside. You want to double tap on this light like that. And then it's going to start blinking white like that. And that means they're in pairing mode. So now, as long as your Android phone is still scanning for available Bluetooth devices, it should detect your AirPods Pro 3s. So let's just wait for that. As long as it's blinking like this, they're in pairing mode. There you go. You can see AirPods Pro 3s have been found. Tap on that and then tap on pair if you're requested, and they're now paired, and you can see the blinking has stopped and they're now connected. Okay, so AirPods Pro 3s are now connected for calls and audio on my Android phone. Simple as that. So I can just take them out of their case and wear them. Thanks for watching and good luck.